When working in corporate America, at some point, every employee will find themselves tasked to work in a group. In this environment is how intricate details become complex. The criticisms of the team leadership model is that it may possibly create chaos and confusion due to there is no clearly defined policy on how groups are to resolve conflict, and that departmental silos may develop due to commonalities of a task and members. Additionally, difficulties meeting deadlines may arise due to many individual perceptions, and not all members will contribute equally. In addition to the chaos and confusion, the model may also create an undefined leadership for team members assigned to certain roles that they may or may not have the appropriate skill sets. Overall, the Hill model for team leadership is criticized, citing it does not have a clear, actionable method for team leaders. However, the model does give the appropriate tools and provides a simplified, uniform roadmap in resolving complex issues based on the potential scenario.
According to Baker 2022, there are 9 leadership skills that lead to positive results. These skills include communication, delegation, goal setting, and vision sharing. Team leadership is important when one is trying to accomplish a complex task, such as winning the NBA championship. The Golden State Warriors have played in 6 NBA finals in the past 8 years while winning 4 NBA championships. Team owners have delegated the run of the team to the head coach, Steve Kerr. Steve Kerr then shared the team goal of winning the championship to the players, which ultimately led to increased ownership wealth. When the owners purchased the Golden State Warriors in 2010, the team was worth $450 million. Currently, the team value is at $5.6 billion. This is an example of a team that has excellent leadership skills.